Hello, everybody. We're here at Disney's Boulder Ridge Villas, which is at Wilderness Lodge here in the Magic Kingdom area resorts. These villas have recently gone a full refurbishment within the last few months, and we're happy to show you a room tour of a one-bedroom villa. So let's do this. All right. Well, we're just inside of our Boulder Ridge one-bedroom villa. When you first come into the entryway here, there is a closet on your left. There is a laundry basket in this closet. Lots of storage. Keep your luggage, hang clothes up. Got a mirror with a counter, a little shelf. Things to hang things on, backpacks, hats, whatnot. When you first come in, this is your living room. So as you see, you have a dining table here, seats 4 to 5. Look at this art. Brownstone National Park, Whispering Canyon, Big Basin National Park, Lake Elias. Lake Elias, so Elias is Walt Disney's middle name. Over here, this is a nice little touch, this lamp. Oh, look at this. Mickey's. Oh, look at this picture above the couch. Goofy's fishing and Mickey and Pluto are going hiking. How nice. And then on this vase over here, there's some more hidden Mickeys. That's our view here of the patio. That door right there would be connecting to a studio if you did a 2-bedroom lock-off. That little box right there has storage for an extra blanket and pillow. There's your TV. There's some storage there. You have a couple of bar stools here for the countertop. In your kitchen area, you've got everything you need. You've got a Keurig coffee maker, ice bucket, toaster, microwave, oven and stove, full-size refrigerator. Inside these cabinets, you do have cups, glassware, plates, bowls, a cheese grater, bakeware, some more bakeware and a pitcher. You got paper towels, you've got a dishwasher, a sink, over here, this room right here that's got the little cutout shapes is your washer and dryer. It's a stackable washer and dryer, very nice to have. And then in here, the door immediately left of the washer and dryer is your shower. You do have 2 shower heads. It's nice sized, not gigantic, but nice sized. You have a single vanity here with a mirror. And then they've installed these pocket doors, which saves space. But this is your toilet room. And then over here, in this room, you have a bathtub. Another nice art of Mickey and Minnie canoeing through the Pacific Northwest with a nice big waterfall in the background. Over here, you have a very large vanity. Still one sink, but still a very large countertop, storage, hairdryer, towels, have a little bit bigger mirror. And then over here you have another pocket door with a very large closet. Actually have a steamer. I haven't seen that before. And you have a luggage rack, more places to hang clothes up and to store things. I'm going to show you the view from the balcony. So, balcony is somewhat, it's not very large, but it's large enough for a couple people to sit out here. There's 2 chairs and a table. Our view here at Boulder Ridge happens to be kind of the walkway by the Boulder Ridge pool. Got lots of trees. Go back inside. I wanted to show you these curtains. So the shapes down here on the curtains, you've got Mickey, Pluto, maybe that's Chip or Dale. I think it might just be a squirrel or a fox. But anyway, how cool is that? And on these pillows, you tell me, that might be some diamond-shaped hidden Mickeys on these pillows. All right, now I'm going to show you what the couch bed looks like. So this couch is a pull-down bed. Excuse us, we actually did already sleep here. This is our checkout day, so the bed looks a little lived in. But anyway, how cool is that? And then you have this nice piece of art right above the bed of Mickey and Pluto sleeping under the stars, camping. How nice. Pretty easy to turn that couch into a bed. Okay, now we're going to go into the bedroom. So as you go into your bedroom, you've got another large TV. You've got a little sitting area here, or a place to put your luggage, whichever's convenient to do for you. And then you have a mirror. Then over here you do have some wall art. You've got Mickey and Minnie bird watching. This pillow on the bed has Chip and Dale in it. You do not have a balcony from the bedroom. You just have a window. And if I close these curtains, instead of Mickey and Pluto silhouettes, you have, Geyser Point, Ranger Station, just some themed curtains. Grizzly bears. So there you have it. You have a chair, a little table, lots of storage under the TV, and that is your master bedroom here in a 1-bedroom villa at Boulder Ridge. Well, and there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this room tour of a 1-bedroom villa at the newly refurbished Disney's Boulder Ridge Villas here at the Wilderness Lodge. And with that, I'll say see you real soon.